Hi, this is our 2013 TaoTao 50. It's a 50cc, so you don't need insurance. You don't need to register it or anything. You just buy it and that's it. You just got to fill it with gas. It's got 2,713.8 miles on it. It is completely functional. It all runs. It's personalized with stickers all over it. It's got a cut front fender up here and then no fender here. It's got relatively new tires, a front disc brake. Coming around this side, it's got a new Kickstarter and moon gear and everything and spring that we put in. Around here, just more stickers. We fabricated this custom straight pipe exhaust. And then as for the engine, it's got a bigger carburetor, it's got a pod filter, it's got all new fuel lines, a brand new fuel filter we put in. We repaired one of the fuel lines, so everything works. It's got a new coil and a new NGK spark plug. So this is a demonstration of us starting it up. Kill switch, works. Starts up fine. The electric choke on it works perfectly. You can hear the exhaust is running. In a minute, you'll hear it get quieter, because that's just the choke with the carburetor working perfectly. In the carburetor, it used to be running very lean, so we modified and replaced the mix screw with our own ideas, and now it runs very rich, so everything works perfectly. As you can hear, it's running. It sounds really good, and it runs a lot better than it would otherwise. As for the headlights, the bulb is set up so it doesn't shine all of the time. Only when you flick the switch it turns on. It functions perfectly. The horn works perfectly. It's got front disc brake and rear drum. Both of them work perfectly. The rear squeaks, but it works fine. As you can see, the rear wheel spins. This will be a riding demonstration to prove that it works. As you can see in here, it runs perfectly. That means that the CVT transmission works, the clutch engages, everything on it works, the engine makes enough power. It's actually more powerful than most other TaoTao 50s. It runs rich and healthy. You can hear the occasional pops. That means that it's running very healthy. He'll come back here in a second and we'll show you that the brake light and everything works perfectly. The brake light stays on all the time when it's running, and then it gets brighter when you pull the brakes. Here it comes. Come to a stop so that you can see. Alright, so as you can see, the brakes work perfectly. Brake light works perfectly. Both stands work perfectly. It has been crashed in the past, but it has not affected anything other than just some scratches on the plastic. The frame is good, the whole moped is very good. So please let us know if you're interested. Thank you.